This is the DT6 diathermy testing machine with a brush electrode already in place for testing diathermy forceps. If we want to test a bipolar forcep, we plug in one end there and the other end into the machine. We're then going to pass this through the brush electrode to see if there are any breaks in the insulation. We place the forcep in ready, press the button to turn the voltage on, and there we can see the forcep is failing towards the top end. That is a failure. Similarly, we can test a monopolar cable with its appropriate test lead. We put the power on. This forcep appears okay until we get right to the very top where there's a breach in between at the top of the forcep. As well as testing forceps, we can change the electrode to test MIS instruments or diathermy, laparoscopic instruments such as that hook. The electrode we use for this is a lollipop electrode with 4 holes in it for the appropriate size instrument. So we get the instrument and again connect this up with its test cable, place it in the appropriate sized hole, switch the voltage on and pass it through the tester. If there's a flash there as well as the alarm going off, and we know that this instrument has failed the insulation round about that part of the instrument there. You can also use this machine to test bipolar or monopolar cables with this attachment. This simply plugs into the machine again. Use the appropriate size roller for a monopolar or bipolar cable. In this case we're going to use a bipolar cable. Place the cable into the machine. Place the upper roller in place, like so. Attach the cable. Plug that into the machine. We use a higher voltage for this, so I'm just going to increase the voltage up to 5 kilovolts, which is easily adjustable on this machine. We'll now turn the power on and slowly pull the cable through 2 rollers to test it. And you see that there's a fail there. And there we can see that cable's actually failed at the other end.